And could you let your love song?
Yeah! Let's say that kind of sound, a bit of a growl. And I can go, yeah! I could do that as well. But again, that needs more control. Again, that's where good technique will give you. If I'm going, hey, hey, yeah! Right? A kind of light distortion, right? Kind of like that over the edge. You are going this direction. Okay, hopefully I can do it right now. We'll see. Okay. So, hey, yeah! It's getting to that. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So what now again, that sounds more like rumble, more stronger, more powerful. And yes, that is also more advanced because you are introducing more tissues to vibrate. And if there is a shred bit of something that's incorrect, you can screw your voice up really fast, really quick. Because you gotta be.
Yeah, and I,
Oh,
that day specifically,
yeah.
the voice, it can hurt after a while.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the next day the voice can be kind of hoarse, and I just know, if I want to be doing this for the rest of my life, can't have that happening. Like I have to do it right and have it be intentional instead of this
Right.
default thing, which may sound good at times, but sure as hell I'll sound like Axl Rose when
Yeah.
he's 50, or it's just like all fucked up sort of thing.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. This is the problem, with I guess more rock singers is that they age and the key drops. Like now they're singing lower, right?
Yeah.
You know, it was that one, just that one.
Yeah.
Okay, well I got good news. You can actually do it right now. What is the lyrics? Tell me.
And could you let your love some?
Okay, okay. So it probably happens at that. Oh, okay, okay. I see what's happening. It's most likely the. Okay, okay. So can you go? Hey, mim, 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 could you? Whatever that lyrics is, just sing it there.
Yeah. Hey, man, could you let your love some? I know I didn't stay on the note, but
Yeah. What do you think? I mean, would you say that was relatively easier? What do you think?
that was much easier
There you go. I mean,
because I could just sing it, try it how I originally did.
yeah.
And could you let your love some? Which obviously has
Distortion.
unplanned distortion.
Yeah.
It takes really took a lot of takes to not have that happen. So
Oh, well, now with the hey, you can do that without the distortion, right? Hey,
yeah.
could you love? And you just sing that. Try that again. Go ahead, please.
Hey, mommy, could you let your love some? It's much easier. It's much easier.